In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly add an image to the footer of your online store. This is a great way to enhance the visual appeal of your store and can be particularly useful for adding brand logos, promotional graphics, or any other image that adds value to your website. So let's dive right in and make your online store stand out. First things first, open up your browser and navigate to your online store's dashboard. This is the starting point for any customization you want to do, and it's essential to ensure you're logged in with the appropriate credentials to access all the settings you need. If you're not logged in, take a moment to do so now. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by your main dashboard, which is essentially your control center. You should be quite familiar with this part by now, as it's where you manage your products, customer interactions, and appearances. Now, let's direct our attention to the footer section of your online store. Scroll down to the very bottom of your web page where you'll find the footer. This is typically where you might see basic info like contact details, links to terms of service, and privacy policies. Look for an option or icon that indicates the addition of an image, often represented simply as image, or a small picture icon. Don't worry if you don't spot it immediately. These interfaces can vary slightly depending on the platform you're using, but they are typically designed to be intuitive. Once you've located the image option, give it a click. It will prompt you to upload a new image. This is where you can get creative. Choose an image that complements your store's style and send the right message to your audience. It's usually best to go with high-resolution images to maintain a professional look. After you've selected your desired image from your files, click Open to begin uploading it directly to your store's footer. With your image now uploaded, you can customize its presentation. Adjust the width to your personal preference. This might depend on how bold or subtle you want the image to appear. You have the flexibility to fit it snugly into a corner or let it stretch across the entire footer. Experiment with the alignment settings as well, ensuring it perfectly balances with any other elements in your footer. This can make a big difference in creating a harmonious and visually pleasing store design. Finally, and importantly, don't forget to hit the Save button. This confirms all the changes you've made and ensures they're visible to your store visitors. Saving your work protects your progress and implements the changes in real time, so make sure the new look is just as you envisioned it before finalizing. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to jazz up your online store's footer. With a little imagination and these easy steps, you can deliver a more engaging experience for your customers. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.